Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to report a Facebook post on Android. Reporting a post can help flag content that violates Facebook's community standards, such as hate speech or graphic violence. Here are the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're on the home screen, find the post you want to report. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. This will open a menu of options. From the menu, tap Report Post. This will take you to a page where you can provide more information about why you're reporting the post. You may choose from different options that best describe why you're reporting the post. For example, if the post contains hate speech or bullying, you can select hate speech or symbol or bullying or harassment. You can also provide any additional information if necessary, such as which Facebook community standard you believe the post violates. Once you've provided all the necessary information, tap Send to submit your report. Facebook will review your report and take appropriate action if necessary. It's important to note that Facebook may not notify you of the outcome of your report due to privacy reasons. However, you can rest assured that Facebook takes reports seriously and will take action if a post violates their community standards. Reporting a Facebook post on Android is an important way to help keep the platform safe and respectful for all users. We encourage you to report any posts that violate Facebook's community standards, and that's all there is to it. Reporting a Facebook post on Android is quick and easy, and can help make the platform a better place for everyone. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using Facebook and other social media apps.